Okay, so this was in Science Alert magazine. According to scientists, they have detected an unexplained explosion coming from a galaxy 10.7 billion light years away. Now, if that sounds like an astronomical number, no pun intended, it is. It's absolutely a totally ridiculous number. For them to pull something like this out of their asses is unbelievable, but hey, we're dealing with scientists here, right? According to them, you see this nice picture? See all those computer-generated dots? Because it's not a picture in any way, and they don't even claim it is. It's an artist rendition. But see this? They have discovered an explosion in another galaxy 10.7 billion light years away. Okay, so I said that already. Now listen, they have three possibilities. One possible idea is that the unexplained explosion could be picking up a GRB that's not pointed at Earth, something we haven't done before, so it would look new to us. Another possibility is a black hole shredded a white dwarf star in the distant galaxy. But the fact, I'm not even going to continue reading because it's all nonsensical bullshit, but the fact that they're putting it out there is concerning to me. Now look at this. Remember TRAPPIST-1? If you look at the order that TRAPPIST-1 set up in, it's very, very odd because it reminds me of a message that we sent out to the galaxies a long time ago. Now, this is TRAPPIST's order right here. This is what they claim it is, blah, 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 so on and so forth. But do you remember way back in the day they sent out a picture for aliens to find, and it showed where we were in relation to the sun. It showed what type of beings we were. It showed what we used for math. It showed what kind of technology that we had. We had the radar. We had 2 arms, 2 legs. We were the third rock from the sun, so forth and so on. And then not too long later, a crop next to the exact radio telescope they used to send out the image, this was found in a crop circle, which shows some sort of technology we're not familiar with. And then it showed a little large head guy who was really small. And then it showed that they were from the 3rd, 4th, and 5th planet from the sun, which is really odd because that ties in with the latest TRAPPIST-1 discovery almost perfectly. So do you see where they're going with this? They're setting us up. They're setting us up for the grand delusion, the big one. Exactly. Independence Day all over again. I just find it funny because all of the TRAPPIST-1s line up exactly with that message that we got a long time ago.
Suddenly the media paid some interest, because then something appeared that was almost impossible to overlook. Right behind me is Britain's largest radio telescope, the 𝗦𝗵𝗿𝗱 Observatory. And here it was that the greatest sensation in the crop circle history was to appear in the fields right in front of the telescope. On the morning of 14th of August 2001, a formation was discovered which was different from any other previously seen. From the ground, it looked like a tangled mess. Wisps of crops spread around.
So do you see the setup here? All of a sudden, we're starting to hear wacky little things from far, far away. You know what I'm saying? And it's all in answer to something we sent a long time ago. They're setting us up here, people, with these. These are things you have to completely and blindly follow them, because do you have something that can see 10.7 billion light years away? No. And guess what, folks? They don't either. And if you don't believe that, refer back to the video that I put up quite a while ago that explains how the Hubble telescope isn't real at all. And that's by the guy that's actually the manager in charge of running the Hubble telescope. He's never seen the thing either. But when we sent out this message, this is the message that we got back. And if you look at where they claimed, where the little alien guy claimed that they came from, it lines up almost perfectly with TRAPPIST-1. So how do you like them apples? I'll leave links in the description, and I'll also leave links in the description to the conversation with the Hubble telescope manager as well. But it's really funny that this is all happening right now. A lot of things are going on at the same exact time. Remember, Before the aliens can show up, we have to have total and unfettered anarchy on the planet. And it looks like it's coming from every single solitary direction at any rate. Be careful, 10.7 billion years away. It blows me away how they just use these huge, random, arbitrary numbers and then these stupid drawings. It's not even a picture right there. It's just, now, see those dots? Well, that dot's blue. Aliens are coming, and they're really going to try it. Richie from Boston, I'm out.